What's up? Welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to be doing a review on the Colorstory Mirage Palette. So if that's what you want to see, then keep on watching. This is a palette that I got from Target for $9.99. It is super inexpensive, and it comes with 16 shadows. 16 shadows, and it has a mirror in it. So you are getting a full-blown eyeshadow palette, including a mirror, nice range of shades for only $9.99. Now, this pressed pigment palette comes with 8 shimmers, and the rest are mattes. So I feel like that's not that bad. Half of it is mattes, and the others are shimmers, and these shimmers are beautiful. That's what I have on my lid here, which this entire look that I did today is done with this palette. If you want to see this, make sure to click the eye above or check the description box below for this tutorial. I've used every shadow in this palette except for Sunshine. So this one in the corner is the only color that I haven't used. This is a pressed pigment palette, so I would assume that the colors come pigmented, but because it was only $9.99, I was a little sketch. However, I will say I am thoroughly impressed with the way these shadows come off. If you like Juvia's Place shadows, this probably has a similar payoff to how those come out. I really like it. In addition to that, you get 16 and it comes with a mirror. Like, this is a really nice mirror, and because it has a mirror in it, the palette has a little bit of weight to it, which I like. I don't like my palettes to be super light, so if you prefer a little weight to your palettes, this is a good one. Also, it's a good size. You can still grip it with your hand, and it's not too big, so like if you want to fit it in like a small bag or a small purse, like if you're traveling and you don't want to have like a huge makeup case with you, you can still take this with you. So I think this is a great size. It has a great payoffs. You can get lots of different looks, especially with this palette, just because there's so many browns and neutral colors, so that you can do like a neutral tone. You could do brassy and bronzy like I did today. You could do pops of color. There are lots of different things you could do with this palette. Highly recommend it. I'm surprised that not more people are talking about it. I want to say this is the first brand that I ever saw have an actual like eyeshadow palette like this size in like a drugstore, like somewhere that's openly accessible to many people, that's not specifically for makeup. So I'm surprised that not that many people are talking about it, and then on top of that, it was only $9.99. Like, that's really unbeatable. Make sure to check the description box below for a full super detailed review of this palette in case I missed anything when I was talking to you guys today. But if you like this video, make sure to give it a thumbs up, comment below if you have any questions, and subscribe to join the Jam Fam.